Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock OPPO phone if forgot password. So here you can see enter password, and you can see incorrect password, please try again. So how to unlock it if forgot password of OPPO phone. So I have OPPO A3x 5G in my hand, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock OPPO phone if forgot password. Okay, to unlock it, first press the volume up and power key together, and now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully powered off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. So you can see, now select the language, and you can see recovery, format data, reboot device, and power off is available. Now simply tap on format data. So here you can see format data, please enter verification code 9912, enter it 9912, and guys, read it carefully. Format data, all user data will be reset after the format data. So now simply tap on format, and you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations, and you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when it again asks for password, use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock OPPO phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.